The designer of Twitter. Jack Dorsey was born on November 19, 1976 in St. Louis, Missouri. He became interested in computers and communications and began programming at an early age. At age 15, he wrote dispatch software to coordinate real-time communications between taxi drivers and delivery vehicles. His software is still in use by some taxi companies today. After high school, Dorsey attended the Missouri University of Science and Technology, but soon transferred to New York University, but dropped out before completing his degree. He moved back to California to work on his dispatch software. In 2000, came up with the idea that would turn into Twitter. But it wasn't until 2005 that Jack Dorsey, working with Noah Glass and Evan Williams at a company called Odeo, would finally start working on Twitter.
When the pager RIM 850, the precursor to BlackBerry, became available in 2001, Jack wrote a simple program that would set his status from anywhere and send it out to a list of friends by email. Friends in turn could send an email back saying what they were doing. It worked, but limited to those only with the device. Around 2005-2006, the following factors affected the creation of Twitter. LiveJournal, an online journal, was created by Brad Fitzpatrick as a way of keeping his high school friends updated on his activities. This was attractive to Dorsey. However, Dorsey's vision was something like LiveJournal, but more live, in-the-moment kind of experience. Instant messaging via chat rooms like ICQ and AIM were commonly used at the time as ways of keeping everyone up to date with activities or just communicating with others. They were all available, but only on computers to computers. Short Message Service, or SMS. The advent of SMS allowed users to send and receive text messages from cell phone to another phone, and from cell phones to websites, voicemail, and email systems. This technology helped pave the way for Jack's idea to become reality.
In 2005, Jack Dorsey worked for a company called Odeo as a programmer. He worked on SMN technology. Odeo was started by Evan Williams and Noah Glass. They delivered podcasts to audiences over the internet. In the fall of 2005, Apple announced iTunes and sealed the fate of Odeo becoming the leader in podcast delivery. Desperate to find a replacement project, in late 2005, Dorsey pitched his idea to Glass. In February 2006, they pitched the idea to Williams. Williams, skeptical of the value of such a network, nevertheless put Glass in charge of the project. They put together a team and worked quickly. Noah Glass coined the name Twitter after considering Friendstalker and Dodgeball. In March 2006, a working prototype was ready, and on March 21, 2006, Jack Dorsey created the first tweet. In July 2006, the Twitter service was released to the public.
Twitter was originally designed so that you could stay close to everyone you care about in real time. Now, Twitter wants to keep you connected to everything happening within the global town square. Twitter's global town square is patterned after ancient Greece's agora, where multidirectional, unfiltered, and real-time conversations took place. Customer expectations include no downtime, meaning no fail whale. Customers also expect that Twitter continue to allow for access by removing socioeconomic and status barriers of communication. Through all the increasing amount of data and signals, Twitter engineers are tasked with finding algorithms that surface the information customers request.